Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel. Welcome to another review. Now I already reviewed the all-weather floor mats from 3WV Autolife made of TPE material, so that's a thermoplastic elastomer. It's not your classical rubber, but it's similar to rubber material. Basically it doesn't have any odor. They've sent me a copy of 3D scanned all-weather mats for Model 3 Highland since I review cars, and I did a review of that and it was really great. They've said we're gonna send you one for your Model 3 as well. They've are finally here, so I've placed them in my car and I'm gonna do a short unboxing so you can check them out, and we're gonna show you how they look in the car. So once again, fresh out of the box, and there is no smell to this. There's no weird plastic smells, not even a rubber smell. So the TPE doesn't have any smell, and it's actually material we are used to because it's something that's on the bottom of your sneakers, more or less. So it's health safety, also safe for your pets as well. So it's a good material, better than the original Tesla mats I had. They had rubber smell for a week or two. Okay, so here's my car. Let's check the all-weather floor mats. Now it's winter, the car is not super clean, so it's probably cleaner than most cars, but I've just fitted the new all-weather floor mats inside. Just baptized them with a little dirt there, but you can see how they fit in. They have, of course, these spikes so they don't move. They just dig into the carpet. They're new, so they should get loose a little bit through time, but as you can see, they're much deeper than the Tesla ones. And the thing I really like is the fact that this is completely covered all the way to the top. The textile behind that was always getting dirty, and the Tesla original mats are for some reason short in that area, and they've went a little bit hard through time, and they're heavier than these. So these are lighter, so that's good for your car because you spend less consumption. I'm not sure if these can be tucked in here, that would be nice, but they do look like perfect fit. These are the ones on the front, so you can see that. Now I'm going to come to the other side as well just to show you the back here. So on the back, these are even better than the Tesla ones. They are much deeper, you can see on the other end there, and they do fit better close to these edges here, so I really like them. Maybe one thing I do prefer on the Tesla ones, Tesla has just a print here. Tesla, it's just like this, so it's all black. These are black as well on the back, but on the front you have the white brand leathers. I don't mind the brand, but it's a good brand, but I would prefer maybe that to be all black. But since I have a white car and the leathers are white, kind of matches the car. You can see the rear as well, so really happy how that looks. Nice and flush, and they're a little bit deeper. Now one on the front is also great. Again, I think the material needs to get a little bit loose, so if you move it a little bit, I think it should be like this, but it's just new, and over time it's going to get a little bit loose. It's still a bit slightly wrinkled, you can see here, but it's going to be straight through time. This is better, it's covering a larger surface, so for your front passengers also great. It's easy to take out, so I really like these, especially one for the driver. Now to open up the cargo space, once inside the cargo space are here. Now these are my old Tesla ones. As you can see, this one's really short. I'm gonna clean this out and I'm gonna give them away. As you can see, this is what I was mentioning, so I like that. It's more in my opinion better looking. It's all black. Now I'm gonna take these out for a moment, and so these are my old ones. The new ones are much deeper. Again, these are kind of hard and slightly heavier. Now this is the trunk, so it's completely covered. It's a nice mold. Again, the material needs to get a little bit loosened up because it was wrinkled, but you have a little tab here to open up and access the bottom. Now since I have so much stuff here, as you can see, I did put the bottom piece. I'm gonna cut in the B-roll shot without stuff inside, but this is nice. You can put an umbrella here. It's deep, so if there's water, you can take this out and clean it out. So there's another one here for the pocket, basically. Now the Highland is a newer version, so it has divider in here, so it's easier to raise up. It is a little bit heavy. Maybe that's the only thing maybe they should consider upgrading in the design, but I know for the Highland they've split it in half. It's easier to fold it when you need to raise that up. Now I'm gonna put those back later, and to show you one in the Frunk space. Now I've told you that last time I spilled washer fluid here, and there was like a little lake. So with this one, it will be a lot easier just to take it out and spill it out. So this is how it looks. If you need to access the tow winch, you will have to get this one out. Now they didn't put a little tab to easier take it out, so you just have to grip it like on the side here, pull it a little bit. It's easier, of course, if you have two hands, and then you can reach the tow hook if that's what you're looking for. But definitely it's more practical to have another all-weather mat inside your Frunk. So that is that. I'm gonna wrap it here. Thank you for watching. Check the video description if you want to order your set. Of course, you can order a full set or just the interior set. It's your choice. Adding 1 week later, as you can see, I'm using these properly. I already rinsed them off, and I noticed that they're much lighter than the Tesla ones, so it's just easier to take them out when you need to wash them. And the material has loosened up. As you can see now, it's a perfect fit on both front mats. Overall, I'm very happy with the 3WV Autolife TPE mats. Thanks for watching. Bye. And before ending the video, huge thanks to 3WV Autolife all-weather mats for sending me another pair for my Model 3. Thank you.